question I'm often asked is, Rose, where do you go for externship? How do you start that journey? There's many platforms for you to look at. There's private practice, there's DSOs, there's specialties. I am proud to say my journey did start in a DSO. And here at Pacific Dental Services, I directly support the externship program and oversee that process for our 21 states. As you enter the Pacific Dental Services supported practices, you are supported by both clinicians and hiring managers. You are given and provided a development program that takes you through 12 weeks of development that aligns with the curriculum that your faculty has worked day in and day out to expand that skill set. Now we take it one step further. Like, you're chairside delivering the PPE. And no, that's not personal protective equipment. That's our perfect patient experience, because together, we're gonna create patients for life.